Hi guys, this is 2021 Toyota Fortuner. So the same engine for the Prado and the Hilux. It's a 1GD engine. So this car had a problem is coolant is, you can see the coolant bottle. Every maybe 50 kilometers is losing coolant. So they have no leak coolant anywhere in the car, but the coolant is internal burning of the EGR. So I off the EGR to inspect. For this one, this is the EGR cooler. So need to off the reach there in the throttle body and all the coolant hoses, and here the wiring, need to off that one to take it out for the EGR cooler. You can see this one. We have 3-bolt holding. Okay, you can see here in the 1 bolt there, and another bolt in here, and 1 bolt in there. We need to reach there. We need to off the throttle body for the access for this bolt. So you can see in here, you can see the EGR cooler inside is like a wet mark. That means it's the burning internal in the coolant. Okay guys, we're going to off the EGR. Okay, you can see it's like a water inside. It's all wet. This cannot be like this, and the EGR also is completely blocked. You can see the too much carbon, the deposit in here. You have to clean all the EGR. We need the gasket as well. This. Okay guys, we're going to test for the EGR cooler. I put the 2 tube on here to there, and make a little hole, give the little bit air pressure, put in this basket in the water. You can see any bubbles come in here. That means cooler inside internal is leaking. So put in here and put water, and need to put another new hot water. Okay, so after that I put the hot water. Okay, so I'm going to give the little air pressure on it. You can see. Besides how big that leaks, bubbles coming. I'm going to stop. And again. That means the internal this cooler is leaking. Okay guys, we know now is this EGR is faulty, something internal leaking. That's why it's a coolant burning, lot of coolant losing. So this part is faulty. So the new one, the brand new one, I put in the part number in the description. So we're going to install this new EGR. So, and we need the new gasket. Okay guys, we clean the EGR. So nice and clean. So inside for this one, everything's nice. So I'm going to put it back for the new one. Okay, all good. Okay guys, we're going to install the new EGR cooler. So it's come on gasket in there between. So in here, one gasket. So there. You can put later this one. So you can see the two gasket in here. Okay guys, we're going to put back the wiring harness. Okay guys, finally we install all things back together. So then we have to need to fill up the coolant and we have to bleed the system. So that's it. Okay guys, we start the car. Car is running fine and you can make sure the coolant level is alright. So we have to get the heat up for the coolant hose, the top hose and bottom hose. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you next time.